What is up, everybody? I hope everyone's enjoying their day so far, and I would also like to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving, because it is Thanksgiving Day as of me recording this video. As you guys can probably tell, I am not currently at home, as I've been invited over to a friend's for Thanksgiving dinner. He didn't want to have to pick me up, so I went ahead and came up here. Anyways, guys, let's go ahead and take on our day and celebrate our Thanksgiving. Even though it is a little cold this morning, looks like we're gonna have another beautiful day. Good thing is I can handle 37 degrees. Well, 35 actually, but I can handle it. And you'll probably have seen my little prank on Robbie last night, which, by the way, I couldn't help but laugh. That was one of the funnier pranks I pulled. Well, as you can see, I'm back home, guys. And yeah, I've been watching The Lion King, the 2019 one, guys, because I never actually saw the end of it. I only saw part of it. And yeah, it's a little dark back here, so here we go. I'm not seeing much of a moon. Sorry if it's not focusing, guys. But yeah, that was a really good Thanksgiving dinner. Turkey was a bit dry, but it was still good. And the ham, holy crap, the ham was amazing. And I was the one that went and bought the ham. You know they were happy with me for that. But that's not why I did it. Honestly, they wanted the ham. I went and got it. Well, guys, unfortunately my flashlight seems to have gone missing. Sorry about that. But yeah, I don't know what happened to it. It's not where I left it. At least not where I think I would leave it. For all I know, I could have just taken it to Robbie's without realizing. So, first thing I did is I went and ordered a new one. Oh. So that is what I thought it was. Hold on, guys. Yeah. It's a friend's minivan. But anyways, to get things back on topic, I've ordered a new flashlight. This one is going to be back to some flashlights I used to have. The 10,000 lumens flashlights. Now, here's another thing I'm going to be telling you guys. I will eventually be going back to Ashland to visit the Railside Park. Some of the stuff with what I experienced at that park last time I sat there in the dark, it was terrifying, to say the least. I felt some really, really bad vibes, and I was hearing a constant noise when there was no wind. Not to mention the fact that it wasn't even cold out. What the heck is that? They're like two pangs, basically. Not metallic kind, but not really the kind you would expect to hear from some organic explosion, but from something either hitting something or gunshots. And it came from that way, off in the distance. I'm a little creeped out, a little worried actually, that there might be another potential active shooter. Oh crap, there's someone there. But there's another issue. There's been a shooter at the Walmart in Chesapeake. That's something I will never support, guys. Don't shoot other people, especially when you're a manager of the store and ending up, and definitely don't shoot people who you actually have authority over, because that's stupid. And yes, guys, you can see my breath. It is cold out. Apparently, the person I saw coming out of the main office was someone who's staying here. I was hoping I'd see him leave, but not the case. Not since he apparently lives here. Let's check things out around the back. See what we can see with, even though we're lacking a flashlight at the moment. Oh. That wasn't a Frontier like I thought it was. It was a Tacoma. Yeah, I don't think we can see much of anything. Yeah, we definitely can't see much. So yeah, as you can see here, visibility is quite limited. Here's where you can actually see me, with that tree kind of getting in the way of the light. Okay, there's something else down here that I don't think I've seen before. Yeah, constantly more clothing articles back here. Okay, I just heard a weird noise over there. Very weird noise. I am officially creeped out, and I just saw a shadow right over there by the wall. What the heck is going on now? Sort of like a whistle and a purr at the same time, but it was aggressive. What I heard. What the hell? And excuse my language, everyone. At this point, guys, I have to be careful. But anyways, it's about time to end my video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell. That way, you can be alerted to every new upload on my channel. Also, guys, I would like you to check out the links to my other channels, as well as my social media, all in the bio. I would also like you to check out my merch store, link is in the bio. See, and you can even buy something there. Not only that, guys, but I would also like you to check out my referral links for Epidemic Sound, Amazon Prime, SoundJ, and Fiverr. I'm also a freelancer on Fiverr, so if you guys would like to see what I do there, link is in the bio along with all my referral links. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed your Thanksgiving.